PSM Makassar akan menghadapi Barito Putra Jumat malam. Pelatih PSM Makassar, Jobgal, berharap timnya bisa tampil lebih baik dari laga sebelumnya. PSM Makassar telah mematangkan persiapan jelang menghadapi Barito Putra di pekan ke-21 Liga 1. Pertandingan akan digelar di Stadion Kompiong Sujana Denpasar, Bali pada Jumat malam. Pelatih Jobgal mengaku telah membenahi kekurangan PSM di laga-laga sebelumnya. Ia berharap PSM bisa lebih baik saat melawan Barito Putra. Tim Juku Eja sedikit diuntungkan karena punya waktu persiapan yang lebih. Jobgal menyebut PSM memiliki banyak waktu latihan karena adanya agenda timnas.
Yes, that's true. We achieve very difficult chances, and this is also the way of playing and the way of building up. We can't reach our front line because we lose the ball too quickly. So it's two ways, and if we have the chance to score, we don't, and a lack of to let the front three get to work by having balls, a lot of balls. We have very difficulties to reach them, and that is what I tried to do on the last week training, to how do we achieve, like in this case, Ferdinand or our wingers, and still we are working on that because we have to achieve more chances, more possibilities first, and then chances. And if they are there, we have to make them. And even the 2-1 loss we had the game before, the last one, even we did not deserve it, by the way, but we could score the equalizer. And also the last game, we had a 100% chance also to win that game. And also I say, in this game, I thought both teams did not deserve to win, so it was an okay result. But anyway, normally or sometimes the best don't win. So if we have more efficiency in the chances, the less chances we create, then also we get more points, of course. It would be a very welcome to have that, but still, as a coach, I want us to play better football and position, and ball positioning, and then defending.
PSM Makassar dipastikan akan tampil maksimal melawan Barito Putra. Pasukan Ramang mengusung target 3 poin demi memperbaiki posisi mereka di klasemen Liga. Wahyu Saputra, Celebes TV.